Right now, there's a really good chance your print-on-demand supplier is quietly killing your profits and you don't even realize it. Because on the surface, everything looks fine. You're getting orders, your store looks clean, but behind the scenes, you're overpaying for products, shipping is way slower than it should be, and your margins are getting squeezed to the point where scaling becomes impossible. And the craziest part is, most people are using the exact same platforms like Printify and Printful, thinking they're the best options out there. So in this video, I'm gonna break down what's actually going on, the real problems nobody talks about, and what I've switched to instead. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. Now, before we look at any suppliers, we need to talk about what actually matters, because most people go completely wrong here. They pick a supplier based on what's popular, not based on what's actually gonna help their business. And there's 7 things that I look for in any good print-on-demand supplier. Number 1 is their product selection. You wanna make sure any good supplier has a wide variety of products. When most people think of print-on-demand suppliers, they think of things like t-shirts or hoodies, but print-on-demand suppliers are actually way more than that. A lot of people like to sell different things like home decor items, like different canvases or plaques. Some people even like to focus on custom print-on-demand jewelry, and other brands like to focus on entirely different things like pillows, socks, and so on. But my point is, you want to find a good print-on-demand supplier that can offer any of these products. The bigger the catalog is, the more opportunity you have as a seller. Number 2, you want to take a look at each platform's overall pricing. You want to make sure you have low enough product costs to still have a good margin on all of your products, because many print-on-demand services out there are in it to make money off of you. They're not there to help your business. When you're paying upwards of $15 just to fulfill a printed t-shirt, you know you're getting ripped off. And most print-on-demand companies will squeeze money out of you from every part of your design. So if you want something on your sleeve, that's gonna cost you extra. If you wanna print something on the back, that's gonna cost you extra. If you wanna print something on the pocket, that's gonna cost you extra. Custom tag, so on. So you just wanna make sure with any good print-on-demand supplier that the pricing is always upfront and transparent. You don't wanna run into any surprises here. Number 3, we wanna focus on shipping cost and speed. On top of your product costs, your suppliers can still eat into your margins with shipping costs, and a lot of times those will add up as well. So you just wanna make sure shipping is affordable for any supplier you're working with, make sure it fits well into your margins, but also make sure their shipping speeds are up to your standards as well. Do they offer 2-day shipping or do they offer 2-week shipping? There's a very big difference here. Any good supplier out there will offer you 1 to 2 day processing time and 3 to 7 day shipping from there on out. Don't settle for anything less. Number 4, you want to take a look at where these suppliers' warehouses are actually located. If they have warehouses in key regions like China, the US, and the United Kingdom, they'll be able to get your shipping costs down while also getting your shipping speeds way up. That's because you have localized fulfillment options. So if you're selling in the US market, you'll be printing and shipping out of US warehouses. And if you're selling in Europe, you'll be printing and shipping out of European warehouses, and so on. They're gonna fulfill all of your orders for you automatically from the closest warehouse. But if you're selling in the US market and all of your orders are still coming out of China, this is definitely gonna be a problem. Then number 5, you wanna make sure any good supplier has good customer support. You wanna make sure they can resolve any issues that come up as soon as they arise. So you should be able to reach out to support at any time and resolve any issues like shipping delays, pricing issues, mock-up issues, or anything else. And then you also wanna focus on suppliers that can give you custom branding. These are things like custom labels or packaging, or even putting personalized thank you cards in every order that goes out. But little things like this will help you to build a brand and stand out from everybody else. And then finally, you wanna make sure every supplier out there has a good quality control team in place. If they don't, you're gonna be sending out inconsistent and poorly made products, and you don't want that at all. You wanna make sure there's somebody that's checking every single order and every single package before it goes out the door. And you just wanna work with suppliers that have consistent product quality from piece to piece. So these 7 things right here are gonna determine if your brand is actually profitable or just a headache to run. All right, let's start with our first print-on-demand supplier, and that would be Printful, because they're one of the most popular suppliers out there right now. And I'll be honest, when I was first getting started with print-on-demand, I used Printful for pretty much every store I launched. I started running ads, and I remember seeing sales pop up consistently. I started doing $400 or $500 every single day, and I was just so happy at the time. But then at the end of the night, when I started running the numbers and fulfilling all of my orders, I realized that I was actually in the red. That's because I didn't take the time to properly vet these suppliers and do all of the research beforehand. I had super high product and shipping costs. I had low quality products, slow shipping, which led to a ton of refunds and chargebacks later on. So it's safe to say that choosing the wrong supplier completely ruined my print-on-demand business early on. So I'm making this video today so you avoid those same mistakes yourself. So starting with Printful, let's talk about the pricing here. Just like most of these platforms, they have a free plan, which is $0 a month because you're still logging in, you're still placing orders from them, they're still making money from you. So this plan right here gives you access to almost 500 products, automatic fulfillment, unlimited store integrations, you get free design and mockup generators. They integrate with over 20 ecom platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and so on. You get 24/7 customer support. That's really important. But then if you upgrade to Printful Growth and you guys pay $25 a month, you guys actually get 33% off all of their products. You guys get 9% off branding, 25% off samples, and some additional benefits like exclusive large font and free embroidery. So right away, this isn't too bad. You can either get started with the free plan or you can join their growth plan for $24.99 a month. But regardless, you still have to log in and place all of your orders one at a time as they come in. But if you guys are doing high volume, this one right here makes sense because you get an additional 33% off all of their products. But if you guys are only making a couple orders every single day, then definitely start with the free plan. Or if you're a complete beginner and you're not making any sales yet, that's where I'd start. But now let's take a look at their entire catalog. Let's take a look at all the different products that they actually offer. So they offer your traditional t-shirts right here, and you guys can see all these different color options, all these different size options. But then they have additional things like stickers, canvas prints, hats, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, more hats, sweatshirts. You can do custom flags, framed posters, beanies, tote bags, kids clothes. They have over 20 pages of a ton of different print-on-demand items. And you can click on any of these products and start designing them with your own custom designs. So starting right here, this t-shirt is gonna be $9.25 to source. Shipping starts at $4.75. So you guys are already paying $15 a t-shirt before designing anything on here. And of course, as you start designing, all of these different costs are definitely gonna add up. But you guys can mess around on here. You can add any designs you want to in the t-shirt. You guys can add any embroidery designs. And you guys can just create some custom mock-ups that you can use on your own store and website. So altogether, Printful really does have a solid catalog of products. So you guys have a ton of different things to choose from on here. They have everything from joggers to laptop sleeves and everything in between. But my only concern here is the pricing. Quality's good. I know that because I've placed orders from Printful before. Shipping's okay. It's definitely a little bit on the longer side, but pricing is absolutely where they get you. The pricing on Printful is way too much to make any profit after each sale. And this is where a lot of people struggle, because you might be making sales, but the profit just isn't there. And you guys can see all the different shipping times and rates for each region right here. So for example, shipping t-shirts to the US is anywhere between 4 to 18 days. It's gonna cost you $5 to ship, and then an additional $2 for any product from there on out. Let's take a look at hoodies instead. Wow, you have 5 to 23 business days, almost $9 shipping. You guys can definitely see where I'm coming from when I say Printful is very expensive. Now, Printful is great if you're trying to build a premium brand, but if you're just getting started, the margins are gonna make it really hard to scale. Now let's go over our next print-on-demand supplier, and that would be Printify. Now, I don't know if you guys actually know this or not, but Printful and Printify just merged. So they're two different companies, but they're both owned now by the same parent company. So I'm not sure if they're gonna combine into one entity later on, but for now, they're still operating as two different websites and two different companies. But I definitely thought that was interesting, so I just thought I'd share it there. But starting with the pricing for Printify. Once again, they have their free plan right here, which is just $0 a month. It gives you unlimited designs. You guys get 5 stores per account. Then they have their $39 a month plan right here, their premium plan, which once again gives you 33% off all of their products. It actually comes with a one-to-one mentorship apparently. Then you guys get 10 stores per account, unlimited designs, and order management with Printify Connect. So once again, if you're just getting started, the free plan is really all you need to get started, upload products to your store and start making sales. But if you want to scale and grow your brand and you're doing a high volume of orders, the premium plan definitely makes sense, just for that 33% discount right there. Then they have a profit calculator down here, which is very misleading because you're adding up the profits for this t-shirt right here, and it's giving you a fulfillment cost of $8.70, but that's before shipping, design fees, or literally anything. So in reality, the fulfillment cost is probably upwards of $15, $20. But say you sell it for $35, you get 1 order a day. They say you're making $800 a month, but it's definitely not that once you factor in shipping costs, fulfillment fees, and everything else. else. So that's a little bit misleading there. You're definitely trying to draw in new and aspiring business owners this way. But let's take a look at Printify's catalog because they actually have a way bigger catalog than Printful. These guys offer many different options. You have embroidery, t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, wall decorations, engraving, and so on. That's just some of their best sellers right there. But if you guys take a look at their actual product catalog, they have cases, books, hats, mugs, hoodies, t-shirts, sweatshirts. Like just taking a look in accessories, you guys can see we have car magnets, hats, desk mats, phone cases, tote bags. You literally have everything from pins to license plate covers. You guys can design anything you can think of on here. Taking a look at home and living, we have blankets, mugs, posters, stickers, tapestries, canvases. They definitely give you a wide selection of products to choose from. I really like that. Now, just like Printful, Printify doesn't actually fulfill their orders themselves. They work with third-party manufacturers that handle all of this for them. So because of that, shipping and quality can vary from supplier to supplier. But with that being said, they are actually able to offer over 140 different global warehouses in all of these countries you can see right here. So they're covering over 209 countries and territories. That way they can get you the fastest and the lowest cost shipping possible. So for example, let's say you guys wanted to sell a hoodie like this on your own store. This one's gonna be a little bit more expensive because it's a heavyweight hoodie. So it's starting at $32 before you design anything. Then you're still paying an additional $7.69 for shipping. But right here, this is fulfilled by the company Swift Print on Demand. They have very high ratings and they have an average production time of 2.2 days. So on average, your orders are gonna be printed and shipped out the door in just 2 days or less. Let's take a look at their actual shipping speeds as well. So take a look here on shipping. And for economy, you have 4 to 8 business days for $7.69, standard 2 to 5 for $8.49. And then you have these different rates right here for other parts of the world. So if you're selling in Canada, you have 10 to 30 day delivery. That's really bad. Same thing right here for Australia and the rest of the world. So shipping from this supplier is 1, very expensive, but 2, very slow. Not only is this gonna eat into your margins, but it's gonna lead to a ton of angry customers later on. So just avoid this entirely and work with a good supplier. And because they work with so many different third-party suppliers, you never know what experience your customer is gonna get. I've had some really good experiences from some of these suppliers, but I've also had some horror stories from the same ones as well. And Printify is great for testing products, but consistency will be a real problem for you down the line, especially when you're trying to build a real brand. Now, our next print on demand supplier is actually the one that I just recently switched all of my businesses to. And I'll explain why in just a moment. But starting with the pricing, just like we did for Printful and Printify, as you guys can see right here, Teemdrop is completely free to use. They have their free plan right here, but they don't have any other additional plans. There's no paid plans to use Teemdrop whatsoever. So unlike most platforms like Printful or Printify, where you're paying $30 to $50 a month just to use their services, Teemdrop is completely free to use. And you get access to everything. And Teemdrop's just like those other 2 suppliers where it integrates directly with your shop and you can go through and place your orders one at a time or automatically fulfill everything for you. And the best part is that no matter what products you're selling, over 90% of their orders ship out within 24 hours and they have an 8-day shipping guarantee. So this just means all of your orders are gonna arrive within 8 days or less, or they'll refund everything. This is huge. No other supplier can actually offer this. And Teemdrop's actually a fairly new supplier. I think they just launched within the last couple years and they already have over 1 million users that do over $100 million in sales annually with over 12,000 square meters of warehouse space and 100 different shipping lines to choose from. And like I already mentioned, it doesn't matter what platform you sell on, they'll integrate and hook up directly with your Shopify account, eBay, WooCommerce, Etsy, TikTok Shop, or so on. Now you guys can see their entire print-on-demand catalog right here. They have everything from hoodies and t-shirts and sweatshirts to custom printed socks, plaques, jewelry, and anything else you can think of. Now they give you hundreds of different products to choose from, but if you don't see something on here, you can reach out to your agent, they'll be able to source it for you. Now I don't think I mentioned this yet, but every new Teemdrop account comes with their own dedicated account agent. This just means Teemdrop will assign you someone to your account to keep you completely up to date with your business. You'll be able to reach out to them to source any product you need them to, and they'll reach out to you daily with things like product delays, new shipping lines available, they can get your costs down, or really answer any questions or do anything you need them to. This is like having an additional team member that's really gonna help you scale and grow your business. But let's say you guys wanted to sell something like these custom socks right here. I've seen these on a ton of different Shopify stores. This is a really popular product right now. So right away, you can source them for just $2.59. That's really good to start. And you can get them shipped out the door for just $5.34. So that's a total cost under $8. And unlike Printify or Printful, there's no hidden fees, there's no design fees, nothing. So you guys can click this design button right here and completely customize any of these products you want to. You can go ahead and upload your own photos right here, drag everything into place, and just make sure that everything looks good. You guys can add text, you can customize the layers, add any notes for your supplier. Then once you have everything customized to your liking, just click save right up here at the top. You can go ahead and save that product, upload it to your store, and start making sales the same day. Well, I would say right here with the pricing and the shipping speed, that's the #1 reason I switched all of my brands over to Teemdrop. And besides that, they have a really good quality control team in place that inspects every order before it goes out the door. So you can make sure you're only sending high quality premium products to all of your customers. For me, this just feels like a better balance between margins, speed, and reliability, which is what actually matters when you're going to scale. All right, now that we went over each one of these suppliers in detail, let's compare them all together. Now it's pretty obvious which supplier I'm leaning towards here, but let me explain why, and we'll break it down in detail. So we have 5 different categories right here: pricing, shipping, quality, ease of use, as well as scaling potential. Those are 5 very important factors. And then we have our 3 suppliers right here: Printful, Printify, as well as Teemdrop. So like we already talked about, pricing for Printful is very high. It's almost impossible to scale your business on there. You have product costs, design fees, shipping fees, platform fees, everything else. Same thing with Printify. Their costs are very high as well. Like I said, these two are pretty much the same exact company, so a lot of these points are gonna be the same between these two. But with Teemdrop, they have the best pricing out of any of these suppliers. Everything's upfront and transparent. Now, shipping on Printful is pretty good. They have warehouses all over the world and they can get you pretty fast shipping. But like we took a look at on Printify, all of the suppliers they work with offer very long shipping times. Like some of the hoodies we took a look at take over 30 days to arrive. And then like we already talked about with Teemdrop, they have their 8-day guarantee. So all of their products are delivered in just 8 days or less. As far as quality is concerned, Printful has pretty high quality products. Printify varies from supplier to supplier. I find that Printful is a little more centralized and organized with their suppliers, but Printify is a little bit all over the place. They just work with so many different suppliers that it's hard to keep it consistent. But with Teemdrop, they produce and manufacture everything in-house, and they still inspect every item before it leaves the door. So Teemdrop's giving you the best quality out of any of these suppliers. But as far as getting started and actually using and operating on these platforms, they're all very easy to use. You guys should have no problems or no confusion operating on any of these platforms. Because the products are so inconsistent on Printify and Printful, and the costs are so high, it's almost impossible to scale a brand on there. You pretty much just want to use those 2 platforms when you're just getting started and testing products. But then when you actually go to make sales, it's going to eat into your margins. You guys can't be paying $10 to $15 a t-shirt. If you're just getting started, focus on your niche and your products for now. But make sure you're not setting yourself up for failure by choosing the wrong supplier. I'll leave a link for the one I personally use down below for you guys, but if you found any value in this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. I have a ton of helpful resources linked down below for you guys, like my free course to help you get started. Don't miss out on any of those. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.